What's up, guys? This is Coach Red from Animals MMA. Today I have a nice little counter to a rolling back take, whether it's Brimbolo or the samurai roll from Head Planet, guys. So the guy's in quarter mount, so he's going to roll, and as he rolls, I get to this point, and I just throw my kick here and come up for a knee bar, or for some people that like the honey hole, the honey hole. All right. So again, all I'm doing is, as he's rolling through, I'm gonna get to this point, I'm gonna just kick my foot to get myself in a better position to either go for the knee bar or the honey hole. So again, one more time, all it is just a hip shift. So as he steps over, he's rolling. When I get to this position, I'm just kicking. And I end up in this position. All right, it's just a kick. Once he's starting to complete the end of his roll. One more time. Here, as he rolls, boom. I'm getting this kick. And I'm sitting. Knee bar for gi, heel hook for no gi. All right, guys. Talk to you later.